What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy, and I'm back again with another video. So today, guys, I will be showing you how I created this grown and sexy Valentine's Day look. Before I get into the video, make sure you do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure your post notification bell is turned on so you are notified when I post to my channel. If you are looking forward to seeing how I created this look, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with going over my face with my moisturizer, which is the Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream. I did do my eyebrows off camera, however I will let you guys know what I did use on my eyebrows, which was the NYX eyebrow pencil in the color Espresso, and then the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. Now I'm going to go in to prime my eyelids with that same concealer and Toffee so that I can prep my eyelids for my eyeshadow. Alright y'all, so the eyeshadow palettes that we'll be using for this look today will be the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette in the color Sparks, as well as the Juvia's Place Saharan palette in the color Jamila. I will be mixing these two colors together and blending them above my crease line. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to go in to cut my crease, and by doing that I will start off with my concealer to cut the crease and then apply the eyeshadow color to that. Alright y'all, so this is the color that I will be applying to my crease. This is from Hikari Cosmetics. It is a cream pigment shadow. I'm not sure what this color is called on their website. However, it is a red shimmer color. I will apply that to my crease and then I'll blend that in with the rest of my eyeshadow. Alright, so now I will be going in with my 35G Bronze Goals Morphe palette. I will be going in with the color Night Dip, which is a black shimmery color. I will be applying this shadow to my outer crease and blending that in to give my eyelids a smoky look. Alright, so now I will be applying my eyeliner, and the eyeliner that I always use is the matte liquid liner by NYX. Now it's time to prime my face, and the primer that I use is the NYX Shine Killer. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Pro Concealer in the color Orange Corrector. I do use this under my eyelids and above my lip to even out my skin tone. Now I will be applying my foundation, which is the MAC Match Master foundation in the color 8.5. Alright, so the concealer that I will be using is the NYX HD Studio Concealer in the color Nutmeg. I will be applying this under my eyelids, on my chin, the upper lip area, down the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. To contour my face, I will be using the True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark, and I will be using the contour section of the palette. To set my concealer, I will be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder in the color Banana. Now to set my contour, I will be using the Black Opal setting powder in the color Deep. Now to blend everything together and set my whole face, I will be using the CoverGirl True Blend in the number 6 pressed powder. Now I will be going in with the same two colors, Sparks and Jamila for my under eye. I will also be using a brush to apply liner to my waterline as well. So for this look, I did want to add bottom lashes. So the lashes that I will be using is the I Envy by Kiss, which is the trio lash, and I will be using the short section. Alright, so the lashes that I also will be using is the Sexy Cat lashes in the style Virgo. Before applying my lashes, I do like to use mascara and then go in to apply them. To set my face, I will be using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. I also will be using the highlighter out of the True Complexion Contour palette to add highlight to my cheeks. Now for my lips, I will be going in with the lip liner by NYX in the color Dark Brown. The two lip colors that I will be using today will be the NYX Lingerie After Hours and also Scandalicious. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see any more makeup tutorials, please comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next one. Bye.